nature has a very interesting way of actually coming back to what it was. Just give it space and time. When you take away the relationship of nature from people, then the notion of human-wildlife conflict, the notion of conflict of people and natural resources starts to come in. In trying to support these communities, we came up with this project Land for Life to ensure that communities and nature can continue to coexist in a good way. For the land to be able to provide life, it has to be healthy.